Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please watch this video till the end and let's get started with today's video. Okay, so recently WhatsApp released an update that brought various changes such as dark mode was brought to the WhatsApp web. Also, Messenger Room shortcut was made available directly from the chat. Now WhatsApp is planning to add some more features such as disappearing messages, forever mute group option in the group settings, the search the web option, picture-in-picture support for share chat videos, and most importantly, the multi-device support feature. So let's go over these one by one. Starting with the most important one, the multi-device support feature with chat history sync. So WhatsApp requires a phone to be powered on and connected to the web, but this new multiple device support won't constantly connect back to a phone and allow people to use WhatsApp on multiple devices simultaneously. It will also have the ability to use your account on up to 4 devices at the same time. This is something that everyone would be delighted to have. Like, you wouldn't require your phone around every time you wanted to open WhatsApp on your laptop or use your account on another phone. It will also support chat sync, so you can sync your messages across multiple devices. A few days ago, there were rumors that WhatsApp is working on a self-destruct message feature. So it's actually like disappearing messages that a user may send to someone and it will disappear after a set period of time. So now WhatsApp might introduce the feature soon in the future updates. So the next feature is the search the web option, and it allows the users to check the authenticity of forwarded messages to avoid the spread of fake news on the platform. And the last feature is the picture-in-picture support for share chat videos, and it will allow users to watch videos in the app just like on YouTube. So guys, that's it for this video. Please check out my previous video where I talked about the iPhone 12 leaks. So please like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys.